What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video on the ST. We're going to be fitting starlights to the actual headliner, like the Rolls Royce style ones. But yeah, basically we're going to show you how quickly to get the headliner out, like what bits you need to take off. So let's get to it. So we want to start off with just taking off these little trims behind here, and it's a Phillips screw to get this little bracket off for the sun visor. 2 Phillips screws there as well. Get your pillar trims off each side on the A pillar. Release your door sills as well all the way down, because it will protrude. And basically, if we go towards the back of the car now, because this will all be the same for each side, so once you do all that, it will be okay. So you want to get this trim off here, and obviously part of the actual rear card you want to get off as well. And then you've got one screw hole here, another, and obviously that one there to get that trim bit off. You've got another little cover here you just ping off, and then you've got to release the clip from this actual clip here. Same with the oh shit handle, as I like to call them. I did this one a bit too much, so it is slightly loose, but I can just get another one, it's not a problem. But yeah, you literally just, as you can see, like, it's already popped out. Okay, so you'll see like a little clip under there. You'll literally, as you can see, my one's come away, but again, you'll just literally put a screwdriver in either side to ping it off, and that should come off. Again, door seal off this side as well. And again, same here. And then it will have a little black cover over your seat belts, and it'll be a T50 to take them off. I just need to tighten mine back up. Now to the boot area. See, parcel shelf down, rear boot seal, take it off, because obviously again, gets in the way of the headliner. You've got 2 little clips you need to take out there, and then underneath here, obviously once your seat belt and all this is off, you can ping this white bit of trim off, and then both trims off here. So you've got 1 screw there, 1 here, and then another here, and then they'll come off as well. And obviously make sure you just get the seal out. But yeah, that's pretty much how to get the headliner off. If you do have any questions about it, please ask, because I know it is dark at the minute, but it's very simple to actually So as you can see, this is quite a lengthy process actually doing the headliner itself. A lot of it was time lapse due to the fact that it's a lengthy job. Obviously it's quite hard to explain throughout as well, and we're a bit on a time frame as well, so it's basically you need a lot of patience too. And the best way I think to do this is, as you can see now, we've actually marked out the headliner into 3 sections. We created 4 boxes on the actual headliner, 2 boxes of 30 in the center, and then on the outside we made a box of 20. That will add to 100. We used a 300 piece kit for this actual headliner and the MK6 Fiesta. Works great. I mean, it's just enough for what we need. But what we did is, once we had marked it all out, we'll now move on to the other clip of us poking the holes through. We originally started with a 1mm drill bit, but it's just too lengthy, so we just found like a little sharp poking tool that we just prodded the headliner through, and then we inserted the actual fiber optic strands into the headliner. Okay, so once we had actually inserted all 300 fiber optic strands into the actual headliner itself, we then took it outdoors and pulled all the actual fiber optic strands tight to the actual headliner itself, and then we figured out where we wanted to actually mount the power box. And we basically did that by test fitting the headliner inside the car by just putting it back in and then placing the power box to the rear, and it fitted perfectly. So we removed it, then pulled all the headliner strands, all the strands through the headliner, sorry, back tight again, glued them, and then cut the actual headliner strands flush so you can't actually see him when you're in the car and the lights are off. And then once we had done all that, we refitted it back on, and then actually tested to see where we could get the power from. I wanted mine on the side lights, so that's where I wired them to, on the rear tail light, and I'll show you exactly what wires you need to do. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you later.